make fake YouTube backgrounds with AI. Easy step-by-step tutorial. If you want to make a fake YouTube background using your AI, what we're going to do is we're going to just go ahead and then open up our browser and type in YouTube. Let's say just type in YouTube AI background generator. So we'll just go ahead and type it in. We'll find many websites to choose from. I'll simply go ahead and select that. When I've done that, I can simply create a certain banner, or maybe at the background I want to create a banner for my video. Let's say I've got an image like this where I have not really shot in a good lighting and so on. I want to be able to change the background of this. I can simply do that using the help of the website that is given over here, right? So background generator, you should be able to go ahead and then replace them with other backgrounds if you want to. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then make fake YouTube backgrounds with AI. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.